Are you a Spanish teacher who's looking to make sure to diversify your curriculum, showing the beauty and diversity of all the countries that speak Spanish? I've got an idea for you. Travel videos. When I'm talking about travel videos, I mean a short clip from YouTube, sometimes made by the country itself as a tourism video, sometimes they're made by a different independent group, and usually I'm talking about videos that are like 2 to 5 minutes long, and they don't even have to contain any language. It could be drone footage, it could be a compilation, and it's some kind of short video that could show a specific city, a specific country, highlighting positives of why someone would maybe want to travel here, visit here, or just to show what is included. I have a collection of travel videos from every Spanish-speaking country so that you could use these in an easy Google slideshow. You could project one on a certain day each week, or you could use it as a small unit of Spanish-speaking countries. Great thing about it is a way to introduce different places. You could touch on the geography, the country, the capital, different things there. And there's so many different things you could use with a video. You could have students watch the video muted while you're narrating what's happened. You could have students watch a video taking notes of what they see and then discussing what parts of the country were shown. What do they think wasn't shown? It's a great way to incorporate a lot of different aspects of culture with the products they see, the products they don't see, and then discussing things like the practices of the people involved and the perspectives of why certain things would be highlighted, certain things would be encouraged or represented in a video. And so these videos would give a little peek into many different places as a starting point to maybe further discussion. Maybe you're also going to show a music video from each country, or you're also going to go deeper into that country. But it's a way using questions to ask students to examine what they see, or to just reflect on some different places, realizing that all of these different places around the world are places that do speak Spanish. And if you're wanting to go deeper, you could use videos that actually have dialogue if you have intermediate students and you're wanting to listen for the dialogue. But for a very novice level, even exploratory, you could use travel videos to give a window into many different places as a starting point of conversations about all of the different diverse places that speak Spanish. You could also use these videos in something like Edpuzzle, where you have certain questions that they're pausing and discussing. Maybe there are certain things that you want students to look for or find. Maybe they're counting the number of certain things they see. They are just drawing an interpretation of what it might be to live in this place. So there's so many different things you can do with a travel video, and you can see more information in the blog post about all different ideas of how to use these videos linked. And so if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more resources from Mis Clases Locas to help save Spanish teachers time.